Today we're gonna make street corn salad. To get started on making our street corn salad, first we're gonna take frozen corn that we've thawed and we're gonna char it. So we're gonna do skillet, put on the heat. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter, let that melt. Then we're gonna add in our corn. Butter is melted, we're gonna add in our corn. So look at this, the corn is nice and charred. So we're ready, we're gonna take this over and we're gonna make our dressing for our corn salad. So we have our corn here, now we're gonna make our dressing for the corn. So we have mayo, sour cream. We're gonna do some salt and pepper. Lime juice. So I'm just gonna do the juice from half a lime for this. And we're gonna do tahini. So you can also do chili powder if you like, but my kids love tahini, so we're gonna do this. Teaspoon of tahini and minced garlic. So I'm gonna whisk this together. That's it, so simple. Now we're gonna take our corn. So our hot corn, we're gonna add it to the bowl. So we added the corn. We're gonna toss that together. So simple, easy, smells delicious, and this is perfect for taco night. Do you do Taco Tuesday or Taco Thursday, or both? Leave me a comment below, let me know. We tend to do both in this house. So we'll do a half a cup of Cotija cheese, half a cup. Mix that in. We have some red onion chopped. And we're gonna chop up a little cilantro. Toss that on top. Wow, this smells amazing. Huge crowd pleaser in my house. Our salad is ready. I'm just gonna replate it to serve. Perfect, and then I'm gonna top with a little cilantro. Take those little. Perfect, this salad is ready. For the full recipe for this salad and hundreds of other recipes, check out my website at nikkicluckas.com.